Understanding how plastic parts are affected throughout the manufacturing process is as important as understanding how those design parts will perform in the real world. Problems that can arise from the injection molding process itself could impact your final part's performance, including fit, size, and even deformation. SolidWorks Plastics empowers you to better understand how the plastic injection molding process can affect your injection molded parts. With a streamlined workflow, you can set up any variation of the mold process, including specifications for injection locations, cooling lines, runner systems, and much more. This allows you to evaluate a variety of real-world manufacturing conditions. Depending on the information you're looking for, SolidWorks Plastics allows you to simulate multiple steps of the entire injection molding process, including flow, cooling, packing, and even warpage. All of these different areas of the simulation process reveal different aspects of the manufacturing cycle and their impact on final parts. Likewise, each of these processes have parameters that you can specify to determine the optimal injection molding parameters. Once the simulation of your molded components is finished, you can evaluate the results to determine how those parameters alter your finished plastic injection molding products. In some cases, you're looking for immediate information, such as determining fill time of your cavity. Or more importantly, if your specifications will result in a critical failure, such as a short shot. SolidWorks Plastics helps determine the optimal parameters to determine conditions like these and optimize the overall fill process. Likewise, part imperfections and defects, such as sink marks and weld lines where cold fronts converge, are easily identified. This enables you to make changes to either the design of your part or the mold to better optimize the final production parts to eliminate or hide these defects from the visible surfaces of those components. Other results allow you to understand the performance characteristics of manufactured parts, such as areas of high densities and the stresses in the plastic material that result from the packing and cooling process. In some cases, these stresses can cause displacement across the overall shape of your part, resulting in warped components. These impact how these components will fit and function in their real-world applications and can be used in conjunction with SolidWorks simulation to help determine if any other changes are necessary. Ultimately, SolidWorks Plastics identifies areas in your injection molding process and the geometry of those components so that you can make the necessary changes during the early stages of design. Finding these issues early eliminates wasted time during the mold design process and the fabrication of expensive mold tooling, potentially resulting in costly rework or complete redesigns at a later time. To learn more about SolidWorks Plastics, visit solidworks.com/plastics or contact your local SolidWorks reseller.